sorry that it didn't work out. I'm moving on. I'm so sorry.
Things that you see in this picture you will need. You need a small jeweler's kit, a hex screwdriver with multiple bits. What you do first is remove the hard drive. Then you flip the Xbox 360 over where the front is showing. Okay. There's a little notch right there that you pull back on. The faceplate comes off. Then, this is when your small jeweler's kit comes in. Okay, what you need is a small screwdriver. What you want to do is push up on this and then stick it in there and it pops it open. And you stick it in there and it pops it open. Just keep doing that, and when you see little plastic things, there we go, that's open. There we go, you have the bottom off. Now you flip it back over and you pull this up. You did with the other side. You just find little plastic knobs. When it pops up, just be gentle with it. Be patient. Don't get mad, or you will end up breaking your Xbox. Just keep doing this until you get it. There you go, top's on. Okay, now you're to this part. This part may be a little bit difficult for you since you probably have not opened your Xbox before. For this part, you will need your small jeweler's kit again. Okay? You need the smallest thread screwdriver, like flathead. Now let's go to the back. And then stick it in these little holes right here where you see like a little white thing behind it until you hear it pop. There we go, it popped. There we go. We have the back piece off. Now, you see these little thread things, you know, the ow. Just pop those up. There we go. Case is off. Set that to the side. Here comes a little bit of a trickier part. What you'll need is your hex screwdriver. You need to find the right bit that fits these screws right here, the shiny ones. You can see it, there we go. Those right there, shiny flat top screws. Okay, now you put the bit in there, and then you remove the screws. I'm going to fast forward this a little bit so I save time. Okay, the screws should be that long, and if they aren't, put them back exactly where you found them on the metal. Okay, since we have that off, we flip the Xbox over like that, and then we pull. Oh wait, first, I always have problems with this, is that you just remove the eject button by sticking the screwdriver underneath the white thing, then pulling up. Okay, we have that off. Now we take the top case off. Now we're inside the Xbox 360. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to open your Xbox 360. If you would like more tutorials, comment and subscribe. Thank you.